With all these viruses going on, the flu, the coronavirus, and whatever future virus that will come upon us, how will a mask protect you, and how will it not? Here are 5 quick facts about surgical masks and respirators that you should know before you use them. Intelligence for your life that you can share with your friends. It's BRBScience. So before we get started, share this video, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel because I find useful tidbits for you that you can use in your daily life. Before we get started, it's important to note that the flu and coronaviruses are not airborne, meaning they like to travel with your spit and snot. Viruses like measles and smallpox are airborne, meaning they have the ability to fly through the air. So, how will a mask help you? Fact 1. There's a basic mask and there's respirators. A mask is basically a loose-fitting cloth or layers of fabric that covers the face to block large particles that contain germs from reaching your mouth and nose, like spit and snot. Masks help to also block your own bodily sprays from hitting others. Basic masks do not filter smaller airborne particles from coughs and sneezes, nor do they provide complete protection from germs due to their loose fitting. The gaps along the side of the masks can easily allow germs and smaller particles to pass through. So, ultimately, a basic mask is good as a deterrent from you touching your mouth and nose, which can have germs on it, and for protecting yourself and others from receiving and giving germs through bodily secretions. Fact 2. A respirator is a tighter fitting mask that is designed to block even the smaller particles that contain germs. Your basic types are N95 and N99, and that simply means it blocks 95 or 99% of particles. There are some with airflow nozzles and some without. Airflow nozzles make it easier to exhale and prevent condensation of your breath inside the mask. The airflow nozzles filter air coming in, but not going out. So, if you're sick, you should buy respirators without airflow nozzles to prevent your non-filtered germs from touching other people. Fact 3. The majority of air particles are non-oil based, so an N95 or N99 would work just fine. The extra duty respirators are the P variety, like the P95, and these are used to filter normal stuff, plus oils and gases. So, what particles are oil-based? Well, the majority of common particles you want to protect yourself from are non-oil-based. Things like contagious diseases, dust from wood, sanding, insulation, etc. These are all non-oil-based. But diesel and gas fumes from vehicles have a large oil-based component, and with pesticides and certain paints, the P variety would also work over the N variety. Fact 4. Respirators are not designed for children or people with facial hair. Believe it or not, children's faces are just too small, and facial hair causes gaps. For best results, you should have a clean face, and for kids, get child-size respirators. And fact 5. Both the N and P masks are single-use, unless specified. If you buy a big pack in a box or receive some from a pharmacy, it's most likely single-use. Disposable masks and respirators do not lend themselves to reuse because they work by trapping harmful particles inside the mesh of fibers of which they are made. The hazardous buildup cannot be cleaned out or disinfected without damaging the fibers or other components of the device, such as the straps or nose clips. Also, don't forget to wash your hands after you touch the mask, as masks trap all that gunk, and if you touch it, it's now on your hands. So, there you have it. 5 facts about masks you should know. Intelligence for your life that you can share with your friends. And care to learn more? I have even better videos coming your way. Then join us on YouTube and subscribe to your answers to everyday questions.